Moore. SG Moore! What a move! And a steal yan by Taho. Robert Bolick! First basket! Secured by Papad Mandresa and pasa kay Titing Manalili. Kick out pass, SG Moore. Bubuelo! Layup lang pala. Oh! Oh my gosh, the door!
Jersey number 85, Robert Bolick from Northport. Gilas player. Jersey number 19, Ula. Jersey number 8, Soy Baguio. Jersey number 85, Shikarabi. Jersey number 13, Mijares. Jersey number 20.
RPG and Dot. Eto. First possession from Shikalabi 2 points. First basket. Butcher Taho. Titing Manalili. Bounce pass to. Nice fake. Nice layup for Titing Manalili. Yes, now si Ting Mal. Shout out to 1,600 live viewers. Mantilla for 3. 3 na Butcher Taho players. Jean Mijares to Titing Manalili and pass. Siyempre, andito din si Air Jorgao and John Kirk. Lays in the reverse 2 points. Bitaho and nabitawan ni Cardawi Shikalabi. And a steal yan by Taho. Robert Bolick first basket. 3-pointer. Eto. Oh, nice! Alley-oop in a reverse layup. Ang ganda ng jelly ni The Magician. Ito parang Cebu versus Mindanao. John Gorcabaho in the face of Cardawi Shikalabi. Hindi ng mga pasa. Titing Manalili, nahanap si the manager. At nahanap si Cardawi Shikalabi. Tapik sa likod ni Jean Mijares. Secured by Papad Mandresa and pasa kay Titing Manalili. With a step back. Robert Bolick. Bolick to Jenmar, balik kay Bolick, 2 points. Ang ganda ng connection. Papad Mandresa, nice fake. Napalingon doon si Robert Bolick. Uy, asan yung may pasa? Dalawa laban sa isa. Titing Manalili, nadaknak, wala. Kobe Palencia, nice bounce pass, entry pass to E. Chavez. SG Moore. SG Moore! What a move! 2 points. Murillo. Tutunton Soy Baguio! Basket count. Oh, black. Recovered by Murillo. 2 points. Castador, jumper is good. A steal. And SG Moore! Lumipad na.
SG Moore.
Jumper is good for Chavez. A crossover. Papad Mandresa na libre. Lays in 2 points by Boss Mario Batilan and Ma Virgil Leones. Ito napakaganda exhibition game and 2 points yan for Dilator. Ito ang CM Farm and Jean Mijares. What a hazy and black. 3-pointer. That's it, Chavez. Butcher Taho and an outlet pass. John Gorcabaho to Dilator. Tumingin pa. 10. Ang natitirang oras. Oh, what a crossover by Jean Mijares. 2 points for Jean, the Magician Mijares. Jenmar Bergaes. Bounce pass. Sa nagmamadaling Dilador. Mijares sa 3. Jean Mijares. Ay, sayang. Jersey number 1. Dilador. Jurgao. 2 points. Going for the second quarter. Shout out no from Dipolog City, Noel Aduca Jr. Bitad sa wire sa atong extension. 3-pointer. 4. John Corcabang. Jean Mijares. Baseball pass to Cardawi Chica Labe. Grabe yung box. Oh! May papugi. Jenmar, quick 3-pointer. Grabe. Napakatulis na 3 points ni Jenmar Bergaes. 46-48 na po tayo. 64-48. DJ Agong. 100 is good, and Jenmar Bergaes 2 points. Jancor for 3. Tanjong Buwan Siso. Grabe! Basket count. Pointer for Balik. Aquino. A 10 for 3. Oh, and reverse layup. Sinawsaw pa by Casador. Aquino. Morillo. Rotondo Zuway ba? Niyatra si Buling. Payusing. Oh, what a defense by Tonton Zuway Baguio. Nahuli niya yung crossover. Bate Chavez. Spinning like a lightning. Kick out pass, SG Moore, Bubuelo! Alam ko, nagdag na! Sayang! Layup lang pala. Oh, why mo by Casador? 360! FC Bon Bulak, but Bon Bulak bigay kay Jean Mijares sa corner. 3-pointer for the Magician. Lili atake. Oh, what? Grabe! Yung pasa na yun! Mantilla calling a play. Screen by Pinuno. Mantilla, step back, 3-pointer. Bang, bang, bang! Tiling na ba si Titing? And Chica Labe. 2 points. Dula scatter from Imbino. Roland Jan. Jancor Cabahog ng Araro. Jenmar Bergaes got block. Naipasa pa kay Tanjong Buwan Siso. Pinuno. Si EJ Agbong. Jancor right-handed asking for a foul. Tingting Artafo. Nag-missile records. TFR para ma-update po kayo sa mga nangyayari sa team. Tonton Zuway Baguio, jumper is good, 2 points. Half natawa siya. SG Moore. Bang! 200 slam for SG Moore. Stop the ball.